Hello, nice to meet you. I want to talk a little bit about my company, our products, our team, and how we can help you to build products if you have a company or startup, or how we can help you to find a job if you engineer or designer or project manager. Um, so So my name is Ruslan, and I started this company in 2017. The Bulgarian based company that doing their R&D, yeah. And before that, I also started another company in Israel, and so both companies actually called Ever. One is Everco, another one is Ever Technologies, and we split responsibilities between these companies as like Everco is building own products, yeah, Israeli-based company, and Ever Technologies is basically an agency which provide software development services for different clients, mostly in US, UK, Australia. I'm sorry, and other countries. So we have established it. I have established it earlier, very early presence in the Upwork website or platform. Yeah, it was the days when it was called Odesk. Yeah, so it was in 2015, I think, or something like that, or even before. And yeah, by now we managed to grow our company profile, my own profile, our employees' profiles and contractors. And I'm going to talk in these videos about how you can build your own agency, yeah, in Upwork, or how you can find a job if you're engineer, or if you are founder of the company, or if you're looking to hire someone in Upwork and similar platforms, I can tell you, instruct you how to do it efficiently and not get into some issues with contractors and freelancers. I hope you found these videos useful, and so I will start by introducing our profiles in Upwork and talk a little bit more about our company and what it's doing. Now, because I don't have time to, post-edit these videos, so I'm going to just record whatever gets into my mind, and I hope it will be useful for you, right? So I'm not preparing in advance. I'm just trying to go as fast as I can over the content that you hopefully found useful, right? So this is our agency in Upwork. You can see that it's called Ever Technologies, right? You can see that we grabbed the nice handle for it a long time ago, but I think that is still possible to find a very nice URL. And you see that we managed to sell the services for almost $2 million. So this profile was actually created in 2018, but the company started a year earlier. This is, as I told, it's a Bulgarian-based company. So we worked with a lot of customers, almost 200 jobs, yeah, and almost 50,000 hours. And currently we have, our feedback is 100% yes, job success. We are top rated plus at the Upwork, but in reality, I don't know why there is a bug in Upwork that it shows top rated plus, but to some of the clients, we shown as expert weighted agency. So we get in the top of the Upwork, and you can see the, feedback history of our work, right? So I think it's pretty impressive what we did. Yeah, so that is our profile, and this is my own profile. I established it. Let me see if I can find it here. No, there is no information, but I established it many years before we established agency. Yeah. And it was converted actually from Odesk to Upwork. So I used previous platform, as I mentioned, and then started working with Upwork. Of course, it's not all my experience. Yeah, I have more than 20 years experience in software development. You can read about me here. Is a lot of information. Again, I secured the very short URL. This is URL of my profile. Yeah, which Upwork now redirect to another one. So here you can see again examples of the jobs that I personally handle myself. Mostly it's kind of either management positions like CTO or head of engineering or software architect, or it can be tech lead or some kind of, like basically, high level positions in the companies. Of course, all the work is remote, right? So in Upwork, obviously. But I do have experience working in the other companies, physically go to some office, so I will hopefully tell more about this in my other videos. And so my goal is to actually, record different videos, depending on the needs of people who want to watch them. So there will be series in regards to building your own Upwork portfolio. How can you find the jobs in Upwork, right? How you can bid on them, what tools you can use for this, all of that. So, how to build your profile in Upwork as a freelancer or contractor, and how to build your agency, and do you need a build agency at all or not? So that's one direction, as I mentioned. Then for the owners of the startups, we are going to talk about the issues like how to hire someone and actually get results. How do you manage to find the best freelancers in Upwork, but didn't pay them fortune? How to run your business. Actually, it doesn't matter if you hire on Upwork or somewhere else. How you can efficiently run your business, what tools you can use to manage everyone, and that's another direction. And of course, they are connected, right? So I'm especially talking about the Upwork because I think even with all the scam that happening there, sometimes there are still a lot of good customers there, and there are still a lot of good freelancers that come in every day to find the jobs, sometimes first-time jobs, sometimes they already have a lot of experience like us, like my company and me and myself. So we're going to go deeply into the details about the Upwork, how it operates, what other platforms offer, what are the downsides of using other platforms, and things like that. Thank you for watching this introduction about the basically our presence in the Upwork, right? But I also wanted to talk about the life outside of Upwork, so what my company is doing, and a little bit about our team. So basically, I think it's very helpful for us that we not only building the service business like agency, but we also building our own products. You can find them if you go to the GitHub /Evercore. So that is our open source projects, which we release, which some of them we release already public, and others are still work in progress. And basically, the most powerful product is this Evergauzy platform that we build in. This is our latest product, and it's already some way popular. You can see a huge amount, more than 1,000 people started it on GitHub. So it's a kind of ERP, CRM, HRM system, like business management platform, we call it. Very nice design, written all in TypeScript, very recent technology stack. In addition, we also have another platform which we built for e-commerce, like food delivery businesses, service delivery businesses, other vertical businesses. So it's basically a special kind of e-commerce platform for on-demand industry, and sharing economy. We also have few other products which I'm not going to talk right now, but that's our two main products. Plus we also acquired before another open source product to support it, development of it. But it's a translation management platform. We didn't get yet in too much ahead in this product, so I will not talk about it for now, but that's also something you can check. We didn't write it because we get it like given to us for maintenance and future development, but we did some improvements, of course, and you are welcome to check it. It's also a pretty popular platform. All of them written in TypeScript, so we try to specialize in JavaScript, TypeScript. And so this is our products. Of course, there is also a website, ever.co, where you can learn a little bit more about our products. There is also our agency website. Unfortunately, we didn't yet updated it much, so we're still in the process of building it. So I don't know what happened with it. My internet probably. So you can watch it as well. Nice build website about our business, IT agency, which we call EverTech, Ever Technologies. So that is what we are doing at the moment. And we basically try to go with these two directions. One is agency, another one is startup with two open source products, actually not two, few open source products that we try to, push forward. And, if you have any questions or want to suggest some ideas what I should talk in my videos based on experience that I just explained to you, let me know. I will give in the description contact details how you can find me personally. And we have very good team of full-time employees located in Bulgaria, and also a lot of contractors that we are using. Like they basically our employees as well, just working remotely as contractors. So we have approximately, it's different in every time, but from 20 to 30 people, something in this range totally. We have a few project managers, we have designers that we work with, we have our own engineers, we have contractors engineers. Some of them are working for customers, some of them are working on our own products. Some are working via Upwork, others working directly with the customers. Everyone is 100% job success. So we try to make sure that the customers are always happy, even if the product sometimes fail. That we build. Honestly, it's actually almost all the time failing. I will talk about it in my videos more. Why the customers' projects failing, but we always give maximum what we can. So the customers' projects failing, some of them, but it's like we try to do everything possible to prevent this, right? And that's why all the feedback from all the founders, even if the business didn't succeed, is very positive, right? So far we managed somehow to not get any negative reviews. We never tried to remove them yet. Of course, possible anytime, but it doesn't happen to us for many, many years that we are in this business. And I will tell more about how we managed to do it, why the customers are so, want to work with us, even if their business is sometimes failing and they cannot push it off. And I will, of course, talk about the reasons and how you, as an owner, if you're an owner of the business, how you can prevent this to happen for your business, right? My own profile, by the way, is expert rated as well, so you can see like we're top 1% of the Upwork. Yeah, you can also find me on LinkedIn if you just search by Ruslan Conviser. You will find me. You are welcome to connect. I grow in my network there. If you are running, if it happens and you are running a large business and you want to get some kind of consultation on optimization of your team, of your technology stack, of your performance and other things, you're welcome to connect to me personally, or you can connect to me via Upwork. And yeah, stay tuned for the future videos. I'm sorry for my pronunciation and for my English. I'm not a native English speaker. But I will try to make sure that the content is nice and helpful for you. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching this. To the next video.